Hey Nicole, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to action buttons are super good to have. Those help with your conversions. I would recommend maybe a few more throughout here or a form. I also would recommend adding some content to your homepage, and the reason is because Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7, and you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And embedded in that content, you want keywords. And here's an example of a keyword: Little Rock Foundation Repair. So when people search for this, the first thing that pops up is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. So it is important to be ranking in the top 3 just so that you can get some of that business yourself. A lot of people aren't going to be going to this more business section. And the way that you can outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile that has more citations than these other businesses here. And you want a good amount of reviews and photos as well. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And the other 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And you want to be on the first page as high up as possible because that's where the most amount of people stay. And 90% of people stay on this first page. So let's take a look at this top ranking website. So they have some good call to actions here that will help with their conversions. Looks like it'd be really easy to beat them with content. But let's take a look at both back ends of each website. So I have them plugged in here to Ahrefs. And so these ratings are pulled from Google data. And UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness as well as the authority of a website. So they have 46 and 42. And that comes from 9.61 thousand backlinks, and those backlinks are coming from these referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. And it's important to mention that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks. If you have spammy backlinks, it will harm these numbers and it'll pull them down. But if you have good quality ones, it can boost these numbers here. They also have over 9,000 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at your website. So the UR and the DR, that's 35 and 19, coming from just over 2,500 backlinks from 282 referring domains. And you all have over 3,000 keywords here. And so what I would recommend is getting some more high quality backlinks to boost both of these numbers, but especially this one, as well as making sure that you have good buyer intent keywords on your website so that Google knows that to populate your website when people are searching for it to make that correct connection. Let's take a look. So they have a pretty broad reach with their keywords. So 100 people are searching for foundation repair Little Rock every single month. 100, 90, 20, 190, 30, 10. So this list just keeps going. So there are a ton of people searching for your services every single month. And what you'd want to do is make sure that you are connecting to these people and being shown that way that you are visible. The more eyes that are on your site, the more people that will be converting to your customers. So again, I'd recommend adding citations to your Google business profile, as well as adding content and keywords and backlinks to your website. So if you ever need any help with any of these things, I'd be more than happy to help you. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this.